Press and hold the button for about 3 seconds to enter the system setting interface. Enter the first level menu. The password is 6 sixes. Total sales. Bill inquiry. You can view the daily and monthly sales data here. Price setting. Set the price of each spring. Example, set prices for the 1st to 5th items. Enter product price. You can also set the price separately for each channel. After the product price is set, be sure to set the number of products. Example, if 10 products are placed in one channel, then set the current quantity of goods for the spring to 10. Error log. Motor error. When the cargo channel fails, you can use this option to clear the error. Press the Enter key to clear the fault. Payment system error. Check whether there is a failure of the payment system. Lock the VMD and check song. Keep the default state. Test slot. Check whether the cargo channel works normally. Select the channel that needs to be checked, and then press the Enter for inspection. Secondary menu. Password is 8/8. Goods drop detection. Set all motors. Set no. Discern slot. If you change the spring or motor, you need to recognize the cargo track. Example, after replacing the spring or motor of the 21 cargo lane, then we need to identify the lane 21. Set bill escrow no. Give change no. Maximum credit. Set the amount here. You can limit how much the customer can put. At most, how much can you put in? Auto give change no. No buy still give chang no. Disable bill no. Set pulse entry unit. Insert a coin and let the machine recognize its value.